Hey, sixth graders. So I just wanted to go over your digital assignment really quickly. So it is a Desmos that is linked in Google Classroom. So if you click on the Desmos through Google Classroom, you don't have to worry about signing in or anything like that. But it mostly just goes over possible solutions for inequalities. So if you see this first one, it says drag the blue point to a number on the number line, indicating a number that is less than 3. Right now we know we have a lot of options, but I'm just going to choose -2. I know that -2 is less than 3, and it says move to the next screen when you're done. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay. If you see, my original point of -2 is still there, but it's also asking me to drag it to another point. So there are multiple numbers that are less than 3. So this time I'm going to choose 0, and it's going to ask me to do it one more time. Keep it in mind that all of these numbers are numbers less than 3. Okay. So then it says, what would the graph look like if all your classmates' points were shown along with yours, right? It's just a prediction. There's not anything that you type in here, or nothing that you move around, but instead you just type in a prediction. What do you think that graph would look like if everybody's points were all on the same number line? Okay. So then it says, it's going to reveal it. How does it compare? Same thing, you're going to type into the box. We're going to plot points again, working with numbers that are greater than -1. I don't think it's going to let me go all the way. Oh, it does let me go all the way. Okay. All right, so it says, here are the class results from another challenge. Drag each point to a place on the number line, indicating that the number is blank, right? They're not revealing the challenge to you. But it says, how would you finish those directions? So keeping in mind where all of their points are, what do you think the directions were? Drag the point to a number on the number line that is, for example, greater than 7, less than -2, right? What do you think the rest of the directions are? You'll do that for challenge 4. And then you'll match these cards together. So which graph do you think is showing a bunch of students who needed to plot points on the number line that were less than 0? Which graph do you think is pointing to, or which graph do you think represents students who had to plot points on the number line that were greater than 0, or whatever it may be, just matching all of those cards together. Okay. Once you make it through the entire Desmos, you'll hit submit, and that is your digital lesson for today. So you will be done. Okay. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I hope you have a little bit of an extended weekend.